Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdullah Ammar bin Abdul Halim, and I will be presenting about distillation column system at total reflux. The background theory of the experiment. Distillation column defined as a process in which a liquid or vapor mixture of two or more substances is separated into its component fraction of desired purity by the application and removal of it. Distillation is the most widely used method of separating fluid mixture on a commercial scale. It is thus an important part of many processes in the oil and chemical industries. Distillation is the most widely used separation process in chemical engineering. Total reflux is the operating condition where vapor and liquid are passing each other in the column but no product is removed. The objective of the experiment: first, to determine the high equivalent theoretical plates HETP at total reflux. Second, to determine the effect of liquid and vapor loading on the HETP at total reflux. Understand the basic process flow of an overall distillation system and the configuration of the sieve tray column. Lastly, determine the total column efficiency under the total reflux distillation. The process flow diagram. So, how to run the experiment? First, the reflux control is zero position at control panel. Set in the main mode, then set heater power control to 50%. Ensure the set point of reboiler temperature is 85 degrees Celsius and set point value also in 85 degrees Celsius. As the top column temperature sensor TT113 and bottom sensor TT102 reach steady state, record the temperature at the trace top and bottom column. Collect the sample product at top valve V11 or valve V16 and bottom valve V9. Make sure all remaining liquid in the sampling valve V9, V11 and V16 are removed. Place the beaker below valve V11. Set the reflux divider to position 1. Then open V11 to collect the enough sample top product. Close back valve V11. Then set reflux divider back to original setting. Partially open valve V32 to allow product sample flow through bottom cooler. Then close back the valve V32 to collect bottom product sample. Place the beaker below valve V9. Then open valve V9 to collect enough sample bottom product. Close valve V9. Record the refractive index Ri of the product sample into data table. Switch off the heater, then wait for 10 to 20 minutes and allow the distillation unit to achieve new steady state. Drain all mixture in the top and bottom tank. Repeat for different liquid and vapor loading by adjusting the heater power according to table below. Repeat step 1 to 8 for different MV values. Turn off the heater at control panel, then monitor the temperature drop in the reboiler TT102 until 50 degrees Celsius. Close all the valve V25, V26 and V27 and water supply. Then, shut down the PC and switch off the main switch in control panel. How to collect data result? After the experiment is complete, collect the sample product at distillate and bottom. From the sample product that have been obtained, we can calculate the refractive index into data table using rotameter. Use the sample table in Appendix B for data collection. The missing data. First, height equivalent theoretical plates HETP, mole fraction, number of theoretical plate, effective column height. This is how to obtain the missing data. Formula to be used in the calculate the result. Expected result. The expected result that I may able to obtain is I can determine the HETP at total reflux. I will have a knowledge about the effect of the liquid and vapor loading on the HETP at total reflux. I can understand the basic process flow of an overall distillation system and the configuration of the sieve tray column. I can determine the total column efficiency under the total reflux distillation. Thank you.